I love that STEM is very hands-on, and so I usually come up with an overall question for my students that are based on the standards that we've already learned, and so that they're asking questions, they're collaborating together, they're working together to solve a problem that includes all of the features of STEM.
If you propose STEM with a question and you really look at it from a problem-solving aspect, you really grab the attention of kids, because kids are naturally problem solvers. They ask questions, they want to figure things out, especially if it's collaboratively. So proposing a question or presenting a problem that they get the opportunity to solve and having choice in how they solve it really engages them.
And they can also add their own creative twists on things, which I love. You can be so creative, and there's nothing that's too small or too big for their imaginations.
A lot of what we do is we ask the questions. We provoke wonder, and we get kids to want to play and to explore on their own. That kids can go into something that interests them and dive deeper. It's the same way with the classes and the outreach programs that we provide as well.
I think it's really easy to get kids interested in STEM because they enjoy the hands-on activities anyway. And so I think with STEM you have the ability to let kids use their imagination and apply their thought process. The more they get to try and fail and explore for themselves, the more interested they become.